kind of hearing something. It's so exciting. I'm gonna be really quiet. Good morning, guys. Today I am on a mission to find the wild horses at the Salt River. Yes, wild horses. As if I could find them. But I'm hoping that I will see them today because they're just so beautiful creatures. I am currently at Lower Salt River. This is a 2.4 mile hike. I think it's a loop, but I'm gonna take my time on looking for those horses on the river or even just on the land. I'm really crossing my fingers on this. So let's start walking.
Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire.
So this is a really short trail, so I'm gonna go off route right now and head to the river just to check it out too, because sometimes the wild horses are playing in the river in the water. I haven't seen them still.
All the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire.
I'm kind of wondering what happened to these trees. Was there a fire here before? Anyway, I haven't still seen wild horses, but I see big signs. This guy's been circling. What does it want? There's still no wild horses.
I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like
There are dogs on the other side of the river. So cute. And I wish I could find somewhere to sit so I could read my book for an hour or two and chill. Today is probably not my lucky day to see them, but I'll try again next time at the other trails. Maybe they're on that trail, because you know they're wild. They just go anywhere they want to go. So I'm gonna head back now on the trail where I was at before. This is still a trail. I didn't go off the trail. I just went off route on the trail that I planned to. I actually met a group of elders that's actually hiking this area.
you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind.
I'm kind of hearing something. Anyway, that is the trail that I was supposed to go back. But I'm not going that way. I'm gonna check out this part of the river. It's so exciting. I'm gonna be really quiet. I'm gonna be really quiet. I don't want to scare them or they scare me. Oh my god, I'm so happy. They're on the other side of the river. It sucks when your GoPro doesn't have a zoom lens. But they're there, oh my gosh. Oh, there's more. There's more.
Feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together? I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could.
While I was driving on my way here, I have zero chance of seeing them, I know that, but I was still hoping. And whenever I got to the river down there, it's such a good thing that I stopped before I get back on this trail, because I thought I heard something, so I stopped for like 2 to 3 minutes and just listened for a while. This side of the loop is scary. I don't want to be here at night. Cottonwood and willow forests. The name makes sense.
You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire.
That was an amazing experience, seeing the wild horses on their own natural habitat at the river. I am so lucky to see them today, even they're really far. I just hope that there are lenses for GoPro so it can zoom for faraway subjects. If there is, let me know in the comments below so I can check them out. I definitely need one, because the previous hike that I did, I saw rams too, and they're really far. I have to use my phone to zoom in. If you're still watching at this time and like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Also add the notification so it notifies you whenever I upload videos. See you on my next adventure. Bye.